So now what we're going to do is show you how to customize your sidebar on your blog post pages. So I'll show you how to insert a Facebook like box, a Twitter feed, and then we'll have a recent blog post section down here. So if you want to learn how to customize your sidebar and add whatever you want, let's go back to the WordPress website that we're making. And what we want to do is go to the widgets page. So hover over appearance and then click on widgets. And once you're on the widgets page, what we're going to do is drag some of these widgets on the left-hand side into the sidebar right here. So by default, you can see that WordPress puts in some widgets for you. And you can click and expand these and just click on the delete link to get rid of them. So let me do that really quickly. And you can do the same just to clear out the sidebar. And once you're ready, the first widget that we're going to put in is the easy Facebook like box. So just click and drag this into the sidebar. And then what you want to do is come down to where it says fan page URL. And you just want to put in the Facebook URL for your page. So this only works for business pages, fan pages, and everything like that. It won't work for your individual Facebook page. Okay, so make sure your website has a Facebook fan page. And all you have to do is just change the URL right here. So I'll just type in NYC Tech Club. And now this widget is linked to my Facebook page for NYC Tech Club. And all I want to do is just come down to the bottom and check this box that says responsive. And you can select any of these other ones that you want. And once you're ready, go ahead and click the save button. And once that's saved, we can just come back up here and just collapse this. And now what I want to do is add a text widget for some Twitter code that we're going to put in to make the Twitter feed show up. So what I want you to do on the left-hand side is find the text widget, and it should be all the way at the bottom. So right down here, you can click and drag this all the way up, or you can just click on the widget and you'll get this pop-up and just check where you want to put the widget. So we want to select the sidebar, and then we can click on add widget, and it should get added right here. And what we're going to do is go to Twitter and create a widget so that we can put in some code right here. So open up a new tab and then go to your Twitter page. And once you're on your Twitter page, what you're going to do is click on the upper right where your profile image is, and you'll get this drop down menu. And I want you to click on settings and privacy. And once you do, you should come to the account page right here. And on the left-hand side, come down to the widgets tab and click on that. And you'll come to this page where you can create a new widget. So all you have to do is click on the button that says create new, and you want to select profile. And you'll get redirected to this page right here. And what you want to do is type in the Twitter handle right here. So what we can do is just go into this drop down and select the third one, which is a profile. And it's going to scroll you down to this section, but I want you to come back up here and change the Twitter handle over here. So it's going to say twitter.com/NYC Tech Club, since my handle is NYC Tech Club, and then push enter, and you'll come back down here again. And what you want to do is select the display option that you want for your sidebar. So we're going to go with the embedded timeline option. So click on that, and then you'll see the timeline show up right here, and you'll have some code right here. But before we copy this, what I want to do is click on set customization options, and I want to change the height right here. So I want to type in 500. And once I do that, I can click the update button right here. And now the code is going to be right here. And we can just click on this button that says copy code, and you'll get this notification that the code is copied. And we can close this, and then we can go back to our WordPress website to the widgets page right here. And in the text widget, I want you to go to the text tab right here and then just paste in that code. And once you do, go ahead and click the save button. And now the Twitter feed is going to be embedded into our sidebar. So we'll check that in just a few minutes, but let's add one more widget. So I want to come down and I want to add the recent posts extended widget. So click on this and then just select the sidebar and then click add to widget. And you should see the widget get added right here. And let me just show you the settings that I select. So down here where it says thumbnail size, I'll change this to 75 by 75. And then I'll click on display excerpt right here and change the excerpt length to 8. And then just come down to the bottom and just click on the save button right here. So if you want to make any other changes, you can do that over here on your own. Otherwise, just close this up and we are done customizing our sidebar for the WordPress blog post pages. So let's go and check out what it looks like right now. And again, you can always add more widgets and you can always download some plugins to find new widgets to add to your sidebar if you want. So what I want to do is just go to the blog post page really quickly. So I'll type in www.howtowebby.com/blog and just go to this page. And once you're on the blog post page, on the right hand side, now you should see the Facebook like box, the Twitter feed right below, and then your recent post widget right down here. So if you want, you can customize your sidebar some more. Otherwise, we're just going to move on to the next step.